You a very happy Navratri. In this video, I'm going to share what all things you should bring home during the Navratri to bring more abundance and prosperity in your life. Along with this, I will be going to guide you what all things that you should do on each day of Navratri and what all things you should do for the wish fulfillment as per your moon sign. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So first you need to understand as the name, from the name itself you will get to know it's Navratri. So the nights of Navratri are very important, especially the time between the 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. is a very important time. If you are doing prayers during this time, or if you are doing any type of rituals during this time, you will be able to fulfill all your wishes. So between 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. in the night, you should chant the mantra. If you have received any mantra in Diksha from your Guru, then the best you have to chant the mantra which you have received from your Guru. If you don't have the Guru, then the best is during from 11 p.m. in the night to 1 a.m. In the night. Make sure that you are chanting Radhe Radhe for 24 minutes. You have to close your eyes and you have to keep on chanting Radhe 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 Radhe. This will be going to help you out to invite more abundance and the prosperity in your life. Along with this, you should listen or you should chant Shri Stotam Part. This will also help you out to balance your energies related to the finances and the career. This is a day, these are the days where if you have a Pitra dosh in your birth chart, or if you have an ancestor curse in your birth chart, then this is a perfect time to do the remedies. And the best remedy to remove, to get rid of the bad karma of your Pitra dosh or the ancestor from your life, you have to make sure any of these 9 days you have to donate. You have to arrange the water for the birds and animals. This will be going to help you out to remove the Pitra dosh and the curse in your life. Because of the Pitra dosh and the curse, you face a lot of obstacles, challenges, and delays in your work. So what you should do on the first day of Navratri, you have to make sure on the first day of Navratri, you have to offer red flower to goddess. Along with this, you have to donate ghee in any temple for the aarti. This will be going to give you the good health and good wealth also. On the second day of Navratri, you have to offer sugar or mishri to goddess. Along with that, you have to offer the white flower. This is going to bring more peace, prosperity, and overall well-being. Third day, you should offer kesar milk. Along with that, you can offer red flower to goddess and pray for your well-being. This will be going to bring more. This will be going to give you the positive mindset as well as confidence and knowledge. On the fourth day, you should offer elaichi. Along with that, you can offer sweet or malpua to goddess. This is going to bring more stability in your life and overall happiness. On the fifth day, you should offer the white. On the fifth day, you should offer banana to goddess. This will be going to help you out to improve your Jupiter planet, which is a planet of wisdom, knowledge, as well as this will be going to help you out your child, as well as it is going to enhance your luck also. Along with that, you can offer yellow flower to goddess and pray for the happiness of you as well as your child. On sixth day, you should offer honey to goddess. Honey is going to help you out to enhance your Mars, and this is actually a very good day if a person is facing problem in getting married or attracting the right partner, or facing problem in their love relationship. Then this is a good day. On this day, you should offer honey. Along with this, you can offer red flower to goddess and pray for your marriage and pray for your love life. This is going to help you out to remove the karmic blockage related to your love life and on the marriage. On seventh day, you have to offer jaggery. Along with that, you can light up an incense stick. Try to light up a rose incense stick. This is going to help you out to give you good health, as well as if you're facing any type of obstacles in your life, like you're facing problems in getting your work done on time, or you're in everything you are facing the challenges and the obstacles. So this is a very good day to do the remedies. This will be going to help you out to overcome the challenges. So make sure on this day you are donating jaggery. Along with the jaggery, you can donate red flower to goddess. Day is a very important day for the people who are looking to get happy married life, or who are looking to attract the partner, or who are facing the problem in the love relationship, or who are looking for the name, fame, and success. Then this is a great day to do the remedy. On the 8th day of Navratri, you have to offer nariyal to goddess and pray for the happy marriage life, for the name, fame, and success. Along with this, if possible, if you're looking to attract the partner or you're facing problem in your married life, then try to offer Shingar product to goddess, and after that you can donate the same to the needy. This will be going to help you out to attract the right, which is the last day of Navratri, which is a very good day to overcome, to get rid of all the karmic blockages. This will help you out to get the liberation also. So on this day, you have to offer multiple color flower to goddess. Along with this, you should offer halwa and puri to goddess and donate the same to the needy. This will be going to help you out to remove all the karmic blockages from your life. What you should do as per your moon sign on this 9 days for the wish fulfillment. If Aries is your moon sign, then try to offer red flower to goddess. Along with this, between 11 p.m. to 1 a.m., you have to listen to Shri Stotam part and make a wish. With the blessings of goddess, all your wishes will come true. For the Taurus moon sign people, you should offer white flower to goddess. If possible, then try to feed cows daily in these 9 days. You should feed cows green vegetable. This will be going to help you out to get rid of your problems, and you will be able to enhance your luck. For the Gemini people, if possible, then try to offer elaichi to goddess daily for 9 days and eat it as a prasad. For the Cancer people, you should offer white flower to the goddess and make a wish. For the Leo people, you should offer jaggery to the goddess. Along with that, you can offer red flower. For the Virgo people, you should offer elaichi to the goddess and eat it as a prasad. For the Libra people, you should offer white flower to the goddess. If possible, between 11 p.m. to 1 a.m., you should listen to Shri Stotam. This will be going to help you out to enhance your luck. For Scorpio people, you should offer red flower to the goddess. For Sagittarius people, you should offer yellow flower to the goddess throughout 9 days. Capricorn people, you should offer 2 cloves to goddess and make a wish. Aquarius people, you should arrange water for the plants. You should offer water to the plants and arrange the water for the birds and animals. This will be going to help you out of the karmic blockages. For the Pisces people, daily you should offer yellow flower to goddess. Along with this, you should listen or chant Shri Stotam between 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. and make a wish. All your wishes will come true. Share this video with your loved one. Along with this, Navratri is a time where if you bring 5 things at your home, this is going to help you out to bring more prosperity, peace, and overall abundance. First thing, you should buy peacock feather and offer the same to goddess and keep it in your home temple. You should bring silver elephant, offer and keep it near the goddess Durga. Along with that, try to offer silver coin to goddess and keep it the same in your temple. This is going to bring more peace and prosperity and overall good domestic life. Along with this, if possible, then try to offer red chunni to the goddess, and if possible, then try sitting near the goddess daily from 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. in the night. You should listen to Shri Stotam. Any problem you are facing in your career or finances related will be solved. Share this video with your loved ones. Still you have any questions related to the Navratri, you can ask me on the comments. I will be happy to answer that. Thank you. Have a great day.